got your eyes on that golf bag, don't you?
Oh yeah.
Some golf balls over there. We don't need up there. $80.
That's a blue cart
I
bag.
ain't paying $80 for it.
That's nice.
Yeah, well. Text him and ask him if he wants to. Or maybe I can get it for 50. I don't know. If he wants it.
You too, thank you.
Never heard of that brand. Bunch of golf balls. To get back to you? Oh. Would you do $50 on that golf bag?
They will not.
Okay.
Yeah, They wanted me to price it higher. They're like,
Oh.
yeah, so
All right. Thanks. It's gonna take 80 bucks. Probably want a bunch of those. Yeah?
I told him $80.
Yeah.
It's a deal.
Okay. Yeah. No. The boy says he wants it.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
That's a great buy for that bag for him. Huh?
Yeah.
You checked it? No. It'll work. You'll love this.
Oh, that's exactly what he wanted.
Yeah, blue. That's awesome.
Gotta have blue.
I asked to get it for 50 because if he didn't want it, we could resell it. But there's, I don't know what those are. I got one of these.
Well, just junk.
Yeah. And then 40.
Oh, Titleist. No Kobe ones.
No.
Nope.
I don't even know how much they want for them. Oh, $5 for a dozen TaylorMade. It's not a bad buy.
Wow. Look at all these cards.
Yeah. $100. Wow. Oh, that's right. He has Titleist clubs. Perfect. All right. Never know what you'll find. 80 bucks for a very, very nice Titleist golf bag or something.